Hey, let me show you the best features of the Huawei Watch Fit SE. So first I'm going to show you the best features that you can actually activate by using the Huawei Health application, and after this I'm going straight into the watch. So first, when we are on this settings of our watch, we can custom the watch faces. So on this device you can find the default watch faces, but you can also download the additional. So you have to click right here. After this, you will be redirected into this Huawei store, and from here you can find all of the watch faces. As you can see, we have to pay for them, but we can also find free watch faces. And actually we can find a lot of free watch faces. And for example, if I want to get this Panda watch face, I have to click on it, and now I have to click on install button. And after this downloading process, I will find this watch face straight on my Huawei Watch Fit. So as you can see, this installation process goes really quick, and just take a look on my screen. After a few seconds, you will be able to enjoy the new watch face. There we go. So as you can see, it's really quick, and that's how it looks. Also on this watch, you can create your custom watch faces. So for example, you can upload your own photo on this watch. So when you are here, you have to click on mine, and from here, as you can see, you can find this two do-yourself watch faces. So the style and the gallery. Let's say that I want to open the gallery, and from here, as you can see, I have to download this package, and after this I will be able to set the custom watch face. So here I am. And now if I want to add my own photo, I have to click right here. Then I can pick it from the gallery or from taking the photo. Let's say that I want to get this one. Now I can take, for example, this part of the photo, click on the right upper corner, and here I will find my own picture set as a watch face. So take a look. After the saving process, it looks really close to downloading the additional watch faces. Here it is. So now I can go back from this one, and let's go forward for the other features. So from here we can also find the health monitoring, and here we can actually get the sleep monitoring actually. So from here you can click on the switcher to turn on the automatic monitoring of your sleep, and after that you will have to move into your watch. Let me just catch focus on it. There we go. And now when you open your watch and go for the sleep, here we can scroll down and see everything about the sleep mode, and you have to be sure that you turn on the automatic sleep detection. And after this you will find here all of your sleep data. Also we can find the description of these functions, so that's really useful. And next we can move forward, and also we can find the continuous heart monitoring. So from here you can turn it on, and now your watch will monitor your heart rate for 24 hours per day. And from here you can also set alerts for the high and the low heart rate. And also there's the description. Then alert will be shown when the resting heart rate exceeds over 100 beats per minute for more than 10 minutes, and it looks the same for the low heart rate. Also we can find the automatic stress test, so we can turn it on right here with the switcher. And there is also the automatic SpO2, so you can measure the blood oxygen level, and also we can turn on the low SpO2 alert like it was with these continuous heart rate monitoring. Also you can receive notifications on this watch, so you can enable them right here for any application. For the WhatsApp, Messenger, WhatsApp, basically you can receive any notifications from your smartphone on your watch, but previously you have to enable them right here in the settings. You can also find your device, so you can ping your watch by using this vibration. Now you can hear vibration, and you will be able to locate your watch. There's also some other device settings. So for example, you can control your music playback. And also we've got option to rise to wake. So when you grab your watch and when it's on your wrist and when you rise it, you will wake your screen. And that's basically all from this application, the most interesting functions. Next we can move into our watch. So let me just turn on the screen, and from here we can also find, let's start from the workouts. We can find over 100 workouts and the workout modes. So here we got the base and the most popular workouts, but if you want to add more of them, you can click on the custom and tap on the plus, and from here you can find list of all additional workouts. So if you are, for example, want to add maybe esports, click on it and then tap OK, and now esport will appears right here. So you will be able to turn it on and continue monitoring the esports activity. Also we can measure the heart rate, that was the SpO2. We can measure the sleep, so I was talking about this one, and we can control the music. So when you play music on your phone, for example on this YouTube music, let's turn it on, but I'm gonna mute the sound. So I'm gonna play it. From here I can go for the previous song. For the next song I can pause, play, and also I can change volume level by using this icon. So that's a great feature. And if you wonder if you can actually answer calls on this watch, unfortunately you cannot do this. Also you can find here the stopwatch, timer, and also you can find your phone. So when you click on it, your phone is going to make this sound.
I'm here.
Okay, and that's basically it. For me, that's the best functions of the Huawei Watch Fit SE. So if you find this useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel.